Chubby Cat was attacked by a buffalo while eating a popsicle. He was seriously injured and had to wear bandages all over his body. His friend, the fat tiger, came and swore revenge. The two of them sped off on a scooter. The tiger challenged the buffalo and won the fight. He brought the helpless buffalo to the cat. After the victory celebration, the cat shaved the buffalo, sewed its fur into a costume, while the tiger roasted the meat. Celebrated by dancing joyfully.